with whispers each filled with fear and despair. The shadows took the form of dark spirits that howled and mourned. Don't worry, Amelia said bravely. I can see the light shining through the mountain. We need to find it and let it guide us. Let's work together, Ayla responded, closing her eyes to summon the storm once more. She summoned a bright flash of lightning that illuminated the mountain, revealing a safe path through the shadows while the wind wheeled around them, keeping the spirits at bay. As they reached the top of the mountain, the sisters felt a sense of accomplishment surge through them, but they knew there the greatest challenge lay ahead the witch lair. The sisters gathered their strength. The lair was a dark cave filled with strange potions and eerie sounds. At its center sat Nutella, a sinister grin plastered on her face as she held a glowing orb that pulsed with Anastasia's power. Welcome back, my brave little adventurers, Nutella sneered. But I doubt you will